Hey guys, what's up? Griffin Dobson here. So I just wanted to make a quick video. Right now I'm just over 4 weeks out from my first shows of the season. I'll be doing 2 shows in April, 2 natural shows. I'll be competing in the teen bodybuilding and then the open bodybuilding as well. So I just want to kind of give you guys a breakdown of my meal prep right now and just give you guys some posing pictures, just a little update. And then I'll make another one probably 3 weeks out, 2 weeks out, and then peak week, and then of course after the show. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we are back. So first, before I go over all my meals, I just want to go over what I take in the morning as far as vitamins go. So right over here, I take vitamin C, vitamin D, fish oil, multivitamin, and then some CBD gummies, non-THC. But those are the vitamins I take right away in the morning. And then as well with that, I'll have a protein shake, just so I can get my protein in right away. So right now I'm taking Badger Nutrition, and probably 2 weeks out or so, I'll cut out whey protein and just stick to probably like chicken or egg whites, just so I have very minimal ingredients. Don't have to worry about water retention too much or anything like that. So that'll be right away in the morning. If I'm working in the morning, that'll be about 5:30 a.m. Otherwise, if I'm working in the afternoon, then it'll be 7:30, 8 o'clock. And then midway through the morning, usually around 9:30, 10 o'clock, I'll have some amino acids as well as some glutamine. Once again, just kind of keeping my protein synthesis going, and making sure that I can retain most of my food for the rest of the day. So until about noon, I won't eat anything. I'll just have a shake and then that amino acids with the glutamine. And then we get to meal number 1. So we've got 90-10 ground sirloin with sweet potatoes and then black beans. Then after that, I will have chicken and sweet potatoes. And then we've got broccoli, some Brussels sprouts down there, tilapia, and then sweet potatoes. And then we'll have ground turkey with a whole grain English muffin. So that way I'm getting plenty of fiber in, and just nice, clean, simple foods. So I don't have to worry about different ingredients, again, water retention, sodium, all that kind of stuff. So those will be my 4 main meals that I'll have throughout the day, as well as that shake in the morning. And then whenever I do work out, whether it's early afternoon or later on in the day, I have some creatine and beta-alanine, and then usually like coffee or something like that, but I don't try to stay away from pre-workouts, just stick to basic ingredients, and then caffeine, of course. And then later on at night, usually right before I go to bed, I'll have 140 grams of acorn squash, 3 servings of egg whites, and then 2 hard-boiled eggs. So I'll just heat all that up and then mix it all together, drink my egg whites, and then that's my food for the day. So I'll put all the macros on the screen. Right now I'm eating 150 grams of carbs, 215 grams of protein, and then 40 grams of fat. So pretty low here, but we're nearing the end of prep, so obviously my calories are going to be a lot lower. But as far as sleeping and stuff goes, I will have tea to kind of put me to sleep. So I've been getting over a cold, so I've been having this tea lately, and then I'll also have some sweet dreams tea, and then as well as meditation and then reading before bed has really helped me out through this prep. Just getting to sleep, just since you're so hungry, it's hard to not think about food and fall asleep. So those have been the key, just meditating, reading, and then drinking tea before bed, and just trying to get 7-8 hours of sleep and making sure I'm well rested and ready to go for the next day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I'll update you guys as we close into the first show. Looking to get my Natty Pro card. If I win that this year, then I'll be 19. So that's kind of been a big goal of mine. And then a step further from that would be to win a world championship. That's long term, down the road, 10 years. But my goal is to win my Natty Pro card before I'm 20. So that's what we set out to do this season, and I think we got a pretty good shot. So I will put some pictures in, just to some posing I took this morning, and then keep updating you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to email me. I'll put that in the bio. Check out my Instagram, and then, yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see.